My name is Tim. I live in North Central Florida. I eat very healthy. I work out several hours a day. I'm in very good shape. I'm 74 years old. I'm a borderline diabetic. And at the age of 74, about 10 years ago, it started that I get an erection daily, probably because of my lifestyle, but it doesn't stay hard very long. And so I've been reading about stem cells for about, I don't know, about several years, anyways, 10 to 15 years. And when I find out about CaverStem, that they do a procedure, what's injecting the stem cells into the penis, I jumped at it. And when I found out Dr. Narayan, which is in the Villages where I live, very convenient, obviously, he did a great job. So right away I signed up and I wanted to get it done, the procedure. And it takes about 30 minutes. It's just no big deal. And I'm very excited about it. And, you know, here I go.